Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find out the mapping. You can see the description and we have the partial text and we have to find out mapping. The challenge is that this text might contain multiple keywords. If that is the scenario, then how do we loop this data? This can be solved with multiple ways. Today we are going to do it with the simple Excel formula. But neither VLOOKUP can help nor any other function will help you to retrieve the mapping from this table. Then how do we solve this issue? Because one cell might contain multiple keywords. So which might strike your head that you have to loop through this entire list. And the list can be bigger. Then how do we solve this problem? Let's see. In Excel, we have the function called search. What are you searching? Search got 3 arguments: find text, within text, start number. So you can search entire list. Make sure you lock this. You have to press F4 and then where are you searching this entire list? Over there. And simply wrap this formula and hit enter. As you can see, I'm getting only Swiggy available there and other values like 16 other values are not found, because of which I'm getting error. So here I can use is error or maybe is number. So what this formula will generate, wherever you have number, it will generate true, else it will generate false. So this is called Boolean algebra. And I can simply use my formula called filter. If I have to retrieve mapping, simply F4 and you can select the range and press F4 one time. It happens sometime and simply close the bracket. Here you can see I'm getting food, but don't be confused. This is not a single value or this is not a scalar value. It might be multiple value. So this filter function generates a table. You can see, what if I add Volvo? Here you can see 2 values it is returning. So now you have to wrap this value separated by comma. Then I can recall function called text join. You can use this function text join and delimiter could be comma and true. True means ignore empty cells and then you can close the bracket. Here you can see the entire result I'm getting effortlessly. So this is actually simple task. Without even using VLOOKUP, you got the result. So here you have seen 2 keywords are there and we got respective mapping, food and bus. If you look at this, we have Zomato, again food, and we have this another keywords, Campus Bay, and you have seen this somewhere, yes, research. So this is how it works, guys. Now the challenge is that this is working. So from partial text to long text, we got the result. What if we would like to find out the long description? So if I just copy this over there. So we have to find out long description basis this partial text. Because in this example, we got long text and then we got this list. So we got this result. Now we have to solve this problem from right-hand side. The challenge is that how do we solve this problem? In this case, you have to search this single value in all this array. Let's see how do we solve that. The concept is similar to what did we do in our first instance. So search function, you're searching actually Swiggy. Okay. And then you can search this description, all description. Okay. F4 and close the bracket. Once you do that, it is finding the Swiggy only one time. And there also you can use a function called is number. Once you have this function, it will return again true and false. This entire thing is called Boolean value. Now you want to find out respective long description. Again, you can use filter function. Inside filter, you can select this entire range because you have to return this, okay? So you might be confused that range is not selected, but make sure range should be selected. So if it is not selecting the range properly, just control X this formula. And you can simply type this or just select once again. No, it's not working. So in that case, some space might be the problem. Let me see once again. Control Shift down. Oh no, Control Shift down is not happening. So you can do it manually. Since I'm on online Excel, it might be the problem. Now simply comma and Control V. Here you see I'm not getting answer. What could be the problem? So we have to see that that's called debugging part. One bracket we missed. If you apply that bracket, here you see that I'm getting this long text now. Come on. Is it long text or what? Yeah, it's working. Again, as I told you, this is not a scalar value. You have to use, maybe you can do to call. What does that mean? To call. You know, if you mention to call, let's see the result. How does it work? You drag this formula. You can see that to call. The problem is that, you know, if just search this, suppose Swiggy is there. Okay, Swiggy you are searching. Let's mention Swiggy somewhere else, maybe here also. Let's see what happens. It's giving you two value. Okay, so you have two options. Either you see to call. The problem is that we have used to call. What if we use to row? To row. Now you understand? To row. Because when you are using to row, it is spilling the value towards row. Okay, this is the alternative to transpose function. And there you can simply drag your function and see that all long text we are getting in our horizontal manner. So rather using to row, you can use transpose as well. Transpose. So transpose change vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical, vice versa. So this is how you can apply your formula. It's so simple. And this problem cannot be solved with VLOOKUP, but index match can solve the problem because you have to find out the position. But again, with index match, the problem you might face, it returns only the first value. So there, that formula will also be wrong. If you are thinking that that problem can be solved with wildcard, yes, it can be solved with wildcard character as well, but it will return only the first value. That's why we are introducing this formula called filter, and this is the combination of four functions: text join, filter, is number, and search. If you work on this formula, definitely you will have good hands on this kind of example where you think differently, like with partial text, how to reach long text, or when you are available long text, then how to reach the short text. So that's all about this topic today. I hope you found this useful. For more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel.